Kitchen is an important space in Feng Shui. The energy of the kitchen can influence the financial fortune and health luck of the family. In Feng Shui, we say that if the kitchen is sick, the family will be sick. Kitchen is directly related to the happiness of the family. Today, we will look at the Feng Shui principles to keep in mind when designing your kitchen. We will also look at some of the Feng Shui recommendations for purchasing kitchen items. But before we continue, please like this video and subscribe if you find Feng Shui interior information like this useful. First, some general considerations. In order to fill the home with positive energy, the kitchen should always be kept clean and objects should be ranged appropriately. Also, when purchasing kitchen items, it is most important to purchase items that pleases the homemaker. This is because the homemaker's energy rises when using kitchen utensils that suit the temperament and characteristics of the homemaker. Unused items should be put away, and the refrigerator should not be overloaded with too many items. This is because the unused items and overloaded fridges can block the flow of energy. When the energy of wood circulates in the kitchen, interpersonal and family relationships can become harmonious. Since the kitchen is a place with strong negative energy, it is good to bring in positive energy, and it is said that harmony between yin and yang is achieved when brightening the kitchen light. And it is important to have a bright and cheerful atmosphere, and clean and neat interior in the kitchen. So let's delve into specific kitchen Feng Shui tips to be aware of. It is not good for the kitchen to be visible from the entrance. It is also not good to have the kitchen adjacent to a bedroom. Also, there are different things to be cautious about, depending on the direction of the kitchen. A kitchen with windows facing west is not preferred, because the evening sun pours in and interferes with cooking. When the setting sun's energy permeates the food being cooked, it can harm the family's health. Conversely, the east direction is where the sun rises, so those who use an east-facing kitchen can benefit from the rising sun's healthy, proactive, and sociable energy. For an east-facing kitchen, use smooth wood material for the cabinet door. The larger the window, the better to accept the morning sunlight, and placing leafy plants next to the window increases good luck. South is the direction with good sunlight, and can increase intuition and insight. So if you are in professions that require innovative ideas and vigorous drive, south-facing kitchen can be beneficial. However, this direction can also inspire excessive confidence, which can lead to involvement in lawsuits. Gray or blue tones are good for the wallpaper in the south-facing kitchens. Bright primary or pastel colors and glossy finished products are good for the cabinet doors in south-facing kitchen. If you use tiles on the kitchen wall, use bright patterns and primary colors. Tile or stone flooring in green or beige tones is better than wooden flooring for south-facing kitchens, and the ceiling should be cleanly treated with light green or white. The auspicious color for the dining table in the south is in the red range, and when decorating the interior, it is advisable to use red-colored accessories as an accent color. As for the position of the appliances, try not to place refrigerator and microwave or stove close to each other. The heat from the microwave, representing yang energy, and the cold from the refrigerator, representing yin energy, can collide and cause negative effects. This can ultimately lead to unnecessary spending by the homemaker. If you must install both products in the same direction, be sure to place a leafy plant nearby to prevent negative effects. Cooking utensils such as pots and pans, which gather the energy of fire, should be placed under the sink, where the energy of water is drawn. This is because, just as food is cooked when water goes up and fire goes down when cooking, people can live a healthy life when water goes up and fire goes down. The fire of the gas stove symbolizes money. So if you want to improve your financial luck, the area where the fire is used should be kept clean. Therefore, the gas stove in the kitchen should be cleaned daily to prevent food residues from sticking, as such contaminants are akin to bad luck. The most important part of kitchen Feng Shui is to avoid facing the energies of water and fire directly. It is said that if the sink faces the stove directly, arguments and fights between family members may rise. Also, placing a stove or oven above the sewer pipe may cause money to leak out. In other words, you should avoid the arrangement where the stove is next to the sink, or where they directly face each other. A kitchen with an L-shaped counter can avoid the structure, where the sink and the combustion device face each other, and is the most convenient form considering the homemaker's flow. Sometimes in small houses and apartments, you see dining tables being pushed against the wall to maximize space, but this blocks the energy flow of the dining table. The dining table should be placed near windows or in open spaces. Also, having a large mirror in the kitchen is particularly good. This means that the foods and dishes on the table double, signifying abundance. Utilization of flowers and plants that give life. When sunlight enters the kitchen is good for energy, and the flow of energy becomes smooth when the wind blows well. So it is good to have large kitchen windows. White enhances the colors of food made from colorful ingredients, acting as an empty canvas representing purity and cleanliness. White, symbolizing purity and cleanliness, harmonizes with the energy of the kitchen. The cabinet is better in a color that feels subtle, such as wood color, light pink, or light green. However, when the kitchen wall is made of wood, additional wooden cabinet is not good. Using green-colored mats under the counter or in front of the cabinet helps the husband's success or promotes financial luck. Yellow mats also have a positive effect on financial luck. On the other hand, overly flashy curtains and tablecloth can reduce wealth, because this can increase the household spending. Calm-colored floral or striped patterns are the safest. Hang curtains in bright and clean colors like ivory, beige, or light patterns. Remember, it is advisable to keep kitchen light and bright, so, for the same reason, it is not good to dim the light in kitchen, even if it is to save energy. Having a clock in the kitchen can increase financial luck. If kitchen knives are placed visibly, family members often get hurt or financial luck becomes unfavorable. Placing knives in the drawers or the storage space in the cabinet prevents negative energy. Also, if the sink is clogged with water stains, it can cause restlessness and impulsive approaches. Since dishes serve to contain luck brought into the kitchen, turning dishes upside down after washing them prevents luck from accumulating in the dishes and allows luck to flow. Therefore, it is better to wipe and place the dishes with a dry cloth immediately after washing them. On the other hand, it is good to place glass cups upside down inside the cabinet. Today, we looked at some of the Feng Shui tips to practice in kitchen. By practicing these simple tips when you design, and when you use the kitchen, you can improve your home's energy flow little by little. These small practices will ultimately accumulate to manifest in large financial returns. Please like this video if you find Feng Shui interior information like this useful. And please subscribe to receive regular Feng Shui tips. It really helps small channel like us. We wish your home a happy and prosperous energy flow.